Oh man, it's cold. Oh, that's cold. I'm freezing. Oh,
No, not in here, not in here. Always like that. Okay, you want it?
My hair! Let me scrub.
Let me scrub.
Whoa, look. Whoa. Can I do that out the window? No more saying it.
What are you stupid girls?
Stop.
Make stupid girls on the hood of the car.
Let me scrub for real.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Stop! I'll be out here.
Kristen, make stupid girls on the hood of the car.
Wait.
I'll do that out the window. I'll put it through there.
Yeah. But not farther, that's enough.
Yeah, I still have all the holes right there, so...
Yeah, the car's right there, not there.
No! Taxi, have you got spray? You're dry. No, I got spray. Here, come here. Water or here for a minute. Taxi, I'm trying to clean the car. I need water.
Come on. No, clean the car. And that's that. So now we're going to be serious now. 10 minutes.
Oh, you better run. You better run. You got a brand new cigarette lit and you got it wet.
Take that, boo.
What boxers you got on?
I got it up there.
Cool, I got it on video.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
You got the compass in your pocket. Give it to your mom.
It's like a fire alarm.
Where's the fire? It's going.
A water alarm.
She says, I'm melting, I'm melting.
And you're recording this?
Yeah.
Give me that hose. Time for a little payback. This is it.
It only goes so far, yeah?
My bet.
No, let in there.
Cigarette loser.
Sit. Yeah.
Woo!
Stop.
Don't go so far.
Kristen, get his name off the street. In the driveway.
What about in there? What about in there? What's in there? Should I get
No.
this off?
No.
Down.
Bounce with it. Okay, stop, Kristen.
Let me see that. Let me see. No, Patrick, it's not going to see it.
What kind of car coming?
Bring it.
Come here. Come here.